Our customers are tufting mills and weaving mills all around the world. We manufacture with the latest technology and high standard inspection, which makes a high-end product that will improve the quality and minimize the waste for our customers. We manufacture and supply gauge parts and sensors for the tufting industry. And we also supply the correct weft joint tension for rapier looms, as well as the correct pick length for air jet and water jet looms. The customers should choose Swedish quality because it is high quality and long lifetime, which gives the customer a sustainable end product.